Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. It is a Scout 2026 261 XSS. We have her in the brand new Alpine Gray, paired beautifully with a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have the Scout White hardtop to match, as well as the Scout White engine as well. We have the boat powered by a Mercury V10 400 Verado. Great engine for this boat. As we hop up inside, we'll notice that we do also have the Bianca cushion package, which is the Scout White with the black stitching to match. We have nice seating here at the transom as well, with 3 different fold-up seats. Nice high backrest, very comfortable seating on this Scout 261. We do have ample rod holders here in the transom as well, along with cup holders. Great place to be able to lounge, enjoy the time on the water, as well as throw some lines out. Do have a great setup here with a Corian countertop, freshwater sink, along with a nice cutting board. Some tackle storage along with some knife storage, more rod holders and cup holders. Here we also have our Scout bottle opener with tackle storage, and then also the trash can directly below. We do have a nice Yeti storage here as well, with our magnetized lid to be able to keep things open. Great innovative thing from Scout there. Nice to be able to get things out of that cooler. We do have rocket launchers here on the hardtop, so more rod holder storage, or if you'd like to fly a flag while underway, also a great place to do that as well. We do have fender pros on either side for your fenders. Great easy way to be able to lock your fenders into place and not have to worry about adjusting them every time. So we move up to the helm. We do have our 24-inch Garmin display. It is a very nice large display that we do have the HDMI stream capabilities too as well. So out on the water, if you want to watch your football games or your shows or anything, you can do that as well. 2 wireless phone chargers. We have our zip weight controls here. And then also on the left side here, we do have our jack plate control as well. Upgraded Mercury binnacle, electronic digital throttle and shift. Up top we have our Mercury Vessel View screen, so we'll display all engine data here for that Mercury V10 400 Verado. Our VHF radio from Garmin, and then also some more switching for our courtesy lights, bilge pumps, horns, other things of that nature. We do have flip-up bolsters here at our helm seats. Once again, notice that beautiful Bianca interior from Scout. As we flip over to the port side here, we have our electric head with overboard discharge. So you could use normal pump out system on this, or if you go far enough offshore, you can just dump it overboard yourself. Down below, we'll also have access to stereos, any breakers that we may need access to while underway as well. Here we have a large, nice lounger. I'm 6'4" for reference, so this is a very nice, comfortable place to be able to enjoy the water. We do have our bow filler cushion in place. Create one large sun pad here at the bow of the boat. Great seating for a 26-foot bay boat. Directly underneath me, we do have large storage as well. Nice, deep storage. Have storage for both of our boarding ladders on board as well. This is also where our freshwater fill up will be. We've got storage underneath all 3 of these seats directly in front of us. Then up here, a nice casting platform for us to be able to use while we're out on the water, or to be able to maneuver. Directly below my feet, we do have some anchor storage. It does come pre-wired for a trolling motor as well. And then on either side of me here, we do have bow, rod, and cup holders. So if we would like to be able to put a bow shade out here, we are set up to be able to do so, and it'll clip right to the hardtop. Speaking of, up on top of our hardtop, we do have our Lumitech light bar, or Razor light bar, excuse me. It is very nice, be able to see while underway at night as well. If you'd like to learn more about this Scout 261 XSS or anything else that we offer here at MarineMax, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on MarineMax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.